Hello and welcome to today's class. Let's consider yet a course called Hydrogeology, right? The calculation aspect. Let's look at several past questions on hydrogeology and let's see what we get. The first question says, if an aquifer releases 4 meter cube of water for a water drop of 2 meter over a horizontal area of 10 meters squared, determine the storage coefficient. Now, for this class here, just anything we are doing for this class, just try to make it stick on your brain. Just memorize it, right? That's just the concept. So let's our major focus here is to calculate storage coefficient, right? So solution to this question, we said calculate what? The storage coefficient. By the way, before we start calculating for storage coefficient, what are we given? In science, your first task is to list out the given parameter, right? So let's check, please. An aquifer release what? 4 meter cube that of water. So that meter cube of water signifies what? Discharge. That's Q. That's 4 meter cube. Next up, of water, drop of 2 meter. So that drop signifies the distance, and in this case here, the distance is referred to as the h over the l as being the distance, which is what? 2 meters. Next up, over a horizontal area of 10 meters squared. So I'm giving area that's about 10 meters squared. Determine the storage coefficient. Listen up. In this case here, our horizontal distance is the h over the l, please. The h over the l. Why this? Why when you do something released, it signifies discharge. That's under your fluid mechanics concept and the one fluid mechanics. When you discuss about flow rate, discharge, right? So discharge they represent this 4 meter cube represents the rate at which water is being released in the aquifer. That 4 meter cube represents your discharge. So that's Q. Q is this. Note that the horizontal the horizontal distance I'm talking of here is the horizontal. Look up. For a water drop of 2 meter over a horizontal, right? A drop. So that drop, it covers a distance. That distance is called the h over the l. And mind you, I'm given area meter squared. So I have this. So what will not be the expression for storage coefficient? Recall that storage coefficient is abbreviated as x is equal to q all over a into the h over the l. Please just memorize this, please. What's your q? Please check. Q is what? By the way, are we converting? Yes. After listing out parameter in science, check your parameter. Are they uniformity? So after listing out your parameter in science, check the SI units. Check the units. Are they the same? Meter. They're all the same. No conversion. That's the task, please. No conversion. All right. What's your Q there? Q is 4 all over. What's your A? A is 10 into your DH over the L is 2. I have 2 here. This is what? 4 over what? 20. If I divide 4 by 20, I will have that S, which is what? Storage coefficient is what? 1 over 5 as my answer. So my storage coefficient here is given as what? Is given as 1 over 5. Please note that it has no SI unit, please. It has no SI unit, please. Why do I say that? Q is what? Meter cube. Observe, meter cube. All over area is what? Meter square times what's the h over the L? Is in meters. This becomes meter cube over meter square times meter cube. Observe that these two will cancel out. So note that for storage coefficient, it has no SI unit. So it becomes your answer to this particular past question.